Hello YouTube, how are you all doing? This is Ken Massey coming at you again, overcoming a few weekly distractions as a new affiliate marketer. Of course, you know the daily routine. The daily routine is always the same. But today's video, I'm going to talk to you about, hopefully, overcoming distractions again. This time, this is a distraction of organization. Have you ever tried to organize yourself? I mean, I know you have, but either way it goes, we're going to have to do it. We're all going to have to organize. We have to organize, and we don't like it. Oh boy, there you go. See, going to have to overcome the distraction of having to, paying a lot of attention to being organized, especially in your videos. We all got to do it, you know. We all got to get organized in the videos. Now, this is not what I want. Every time I always go to this one. This is the one I want. Oh yeah, thank you. I got a sale. Hey, I sold two today. Thank you, everyone. Y'all do the same thing. Y'all show us what you got. That's cool. It's cool right there. Anyway, I have to overcome distractions. Distractions are so common, and there's so many of them. But today, I was trying to go through organizing my videos. I'm seeing that I'm getting out of order. You can see I only spent 10 cents today. So if either case, you may not see today, but I'm gonna show you today. There it is. In either case, it's it's got to be done. There's no way for you to get by it. I've seen this one today. You have to organize yourself. How you do it, I don't know. The main thing is it's a distraction. It is something we got to overcome it. If we don't overcome the distraction, it's going to lead down to destruction. And when I say lead down to destruction, I mean you're going to become frustrated. And as you become frustrated, you're not going to want to do what you need to do to get what you need done. So overcome to that distraction, get yourself all organized. Now, I can show you there are many different ways of organization. Some lady mentioned something on the internet, and I'll put it down in the bucket below down there. She seemed to like it pretty good. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm determined not to spend any more money. I purchased a piece of software for talking. It's called, I ain't gonna tell you what software it is. I'll let you see. It's down in the thing down there. I haven't started using it. It was for dictation, and I'm hoping it's gonna help me out. You know, I hope it's gonna help out because this typing and my eyes and sort of thing. Well, anyway, here we go. Uh, this video software that I have, it creates the video in one area of your hard drive, and then you either upload it directly to wherever you want to upload it. In my case is YouTube, or you can save it as an MP4 file. Now in my case, I like to save my stuff as an MP4 file and then archive it off somewhere, you know, on a backup somewhere, because these softwares that create these videos for you, they're proprietary, and they have their own method of encoding their video, but then they'll save it as an MP4. So I still would like to have a copy of those in case I decide not to use that software anymore. I might leave that software company and go with another one, and I'll be at their mercy if I haven't uploaded all their videos or saved them all. So I'm going inside, and you're going to have to do the same thing. You have to figure out some kind of way to organize. Well, I have decided to organize that software inside of my own structure that will allow me to um, incorporate the playlist and what I'm recording inside of my desktop unit. As you can see, these check marks here, these check marks is my sharing drive, what I'm synchronized, which is how I was able to keep going the last time my computer crashed. So you're going to have to overcome distractions, and as you overcome the distractions, let us know how you did. One of the main distractions that you will have to overcome is organization. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to find time to research an organizational tool right now. Right now, I just want to go ahead and get these things organized. You can see I'm starting to make videos, but I'm not giving them names. So you will get caught up in that. And if you can, as you are creating your videos, and I know you can't do it, which is the reason why I got the software where you can talk to it, so I can just talk to it. Figure out some kind of way you could put as much information into meta tags, and a meta tag is simply another name for a field to put information into. Whether it's a description field or tag field or title field or subject field or category field, whatever it is, try to do it. Try to do this. It's hard to do at the beginning. It's a distraction. It's something that you have to overcome, and I'm hoping that you overcome. So I'm hoping that you allow us to see you in your journey, and thank you for coming by and witnessing our journey together. We are in this together, and we support each other, and I thank you. I appreciate you, and you take care, and have a good day, and don't forget to to like me up, and leave me some feedback. Let me know how I'm doing. All right, talk to you guys later. We're at the beginning, y'all. We're at the beginning. We're at the beginning.